Welcome everybody, thank you for joining me in this 5-minute warm-up, okay? This is gonna get that blood flowing, get those muscles nice and warm, okay? Do it before any workout. Here we go, nice and easy, jump rope. Alright, loosen up those shoulders, alright, swing those arms. Okay, keep it breathing, okay? So the point of the warm is just to get the body nice and warmed up, okay? Get that heart rate going, get the breathing going, warming up the muscles, okay? Alright, give me some high knees with those jump ropes. Alright, we're gonna reverse the arms, swing them backwards, keep those high knees going. Alright, keep it going backwards. I'm gonna get into some butt kicks. I turn it sideways so you can see, get those heels up. Bend those knees. Alright, go ahead and bring it on down. Arms over the chest. Open up nice and wide. Okay, keep it breathing, alright? Heart rate's going. Loosen up the shoulders here. Alternating which arm goes on top. Again, opening up those arms as wide as you can. Bring them in as close together as you can. Gonna reach those arms out to the side, give me some big circles forward. Alright, rotate them backwards, palms are gonna face up, alright, face the ceiling. Rotate it on back. Nice and easy here, okay? Alright, gonna bring those hands right there to the side. Alright, turning sideways, I'm gonna do some heel raises, okay? Nice and easy. Okay, back is nice and tall, core is engaged. Okay, warming up those lower legs here. Great job. Exhale that breath as you raise on up. Inhale as you come down. Nice and easy. Again, keeping that core engaged, keeping that back nice and tall, keep that body steady. Alright, bring it on down. Just nice and easy shrugs coming up to the ears, your shoulders coming back down. Exhale as you raise them up, inhale as you come down. Great job everybody. Alright, gonna go rotate them on back now, okay? Rotating shoulders back, alright, side view. Roll them forward. Alright, go ahead and relax, taking one leg, stepping it out to the side. Nice, good lunge here, reach those hands out. Get a little bit more core work here, hands are coming up. Back is tall, bottom back. Switch it over to the other side. Back to that first side. Other side, again, feel that stretch right here in the extended leg here, okay? Make sure that foot stays flat against the ground. Alright, turn to that bent knee side, dropping one leg down. Okay, hands on the hips, our hands are up still. Opening up that hip. Alright, rotate to the other side here, bending that knee, dropping out of the knee down. Hands up or hands on hip. Again, point here, stretching out that hip here, opening up that hip. Alright, gonna bring it on down to the ground here. Alright. Getting into some pikes here, okay, reach that bottom up. And back. High plank when you're in that position, okay, abs are engaged, core is tight, back is flat. Nice and easy. Get those hips up towards the ceiling. Pike it on up. Back to that front plank. Great job, everybody. Alright, just warming it on up here, okay? Reaching those hips up, coming back. Alright, we're gonna hold right here. High plank. Hold and control. Alright, if you have any wrist issues, you can go into that low plank. That's an option for you if you need to. Okay? Hold it right here. Abs engaged, back is flat. Belly button's pulled in. Nice job, everybody. Alright, gonna drop it to the knees. Reach it on back, reach it forward. Nice, good stretch here. Alright, now you're ready for that workout, okay? Again, check out my strength workouts, check out my HIIT workouts. I'll link them in the comments below. Alright, enjoy your workout. Stay fit, stay flexed, and I'll see you guys next time.